What's up, guys? This is Bill and Tony, and today I'm the cameraman, but I'm shooting with my gun. And last time we just felt a little bit weirder, right, bro? And you're still sitting in there. You may fall in the freaking hole there. How much water is in it? Oh shit, it's nearly full. Let's go. Okay, so let's go. The game begins in 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, I just forgot to just reload my gun. Okay, sorry. 3. Let's go. Oh my god. I wonder. What are you doing there? You're breaking the rules, do you? Oh yeah. You're just hiding there. How did you get there, you freak? Oh, you were nearly hit. Come on, hide.
Look, time beat ko Gio.
Okay, get out of the freaking. I think he's there. So, just gonna reload first. And I'm back, so. Bitch! He's there, hiding. I knew it was him. And he's hiding in the tree. Now, where would you go? Silly Billy. Got hit? Oh shit. Those deer. Oh. Oh, dope. Help me, bro. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, I got hit. Okay, so you win now for now. So this is the end of the video, and come back for another video. So we cannot just postpone it right now because my friend is going to the freaking home. Yep. Yeah. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. See you for the next video. And